Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. Your glow up is going to leave a lot of people unhappy. You see, Leo, you are not a dreamer. You are a go-getter, you are a trailblazer, and you are the embodiment of being unapologetic, giving zero Fs, and going after your dreams. Nothing or no one can hold you back. And because you have this self-confidence, because you exude this power, this resilience, this strength, it can unfortunately rub a few people up the wrong way. Many offers will be coming in. So you may be getting a lot of offers to go out, to socialize, to network, to party. And maybe in the past you were safeguarding your energy. Maybe you were in hermit mode, but you're going to be stepping out. And a lot of people are not going to be happy about this. For some of you, you could be in a marriage and your partner's going to be like, well, you think you're going wearing that? And you're like, I haven't been out in 9 months. I've been in hibernation. This is the first time out after having our child. I want to go out. That's for some of you, right? You're letting your past go because maybe in the past you put others first. You put other people's need first, right? And I feel for some of you also, you may have felt guilty for putting yourself first. You may have felt guilty for having fun. You may have felt guilty for going out. You may have felt guilty for dating again because maybe you have dependence and maybe you felt like, oh, I can't get into a relationship because I need to be there for my, my child or my mother or my sister, that you may look after. And if I go out on a date, my energy is going to be scattered and, but you've come to a point whereby you are thinking about your happiness first. And it's not about being selfish. It's very necessary. Some of you have been overworking too. And your life may have just been like work, home. And you may have felt like, where's the fun? This is like existing. This is not living. I need to incorporate more fun, more happiness, more laughter into my life. I cannot expect another person to make me happy. I have to make myself happy. And I feel like some of you were in jobs whereby you may have felt like it was pretty mundane. You wanted to do a side hustle, but you may have felt like I haven't got the time. And when I'm at home, I've got so much to do. I've got ironing to do. I've got cleaning up to do. And then when I finish all of that, I'm tired. So how am I really going to do this side hustle? And you decided to actually try, even if in your view in the past, you didn't have the time. Like I said, you're letting your past go. You are coming out of a old, outdated way of being, old, outdated way of thinking. You are realizing that you create your own magic. You create your own dream life. No longer are you allowing other people to dictate how your life should be. You're actually creating your own life. I'm thinking about Dorothy in The Wizard of Oz, where she's just like skipping down a yellow brick road. And it could seem quite far-fetched, right? But you are so talented, and I feel like there was a lot of limitations that were placed around you in the past. Maybe you were fearful of putting yourself out there to be critiqued. Maybe your life was extremely busy and you felt like, it would be so great if I can just actually do this side hustle. Or it'd be so great if I can actually just do something that I enjoy, like do a hobby or go out on a date or whatever the case is. But the thing is, you were limiting yourself. You were blocking yourself from your own blessings. And I feel like you're going to show up differently. Some of you are going to go through a massive transformation. I'm talking about major glow up, not just outwardly, inwardly, because you're going to be shifting your mindset to I can't to I can, and why not? You're going to be focusing on your healing, on your growth, ridding yourself of those mental shackles that kept you bounded. This could include removing yourself from toxic family members that kept you bounded in a sense. You may be looking at how your life has panned out and the lack of support that you didn't get, or the lack of support that you received and the support that you didn't get. You may have thought to yourself, okay, so it's supposed to be family, quote unquote, but where were you in my darkest hours? You could be releasing yourself from guilt in regards to loyalty to family members that weren't loyal to you. And that could have been what was tying you. I have to be loyal to maybe a sibling, that wasn't necessarily loyal to you, that was draining you energetically, that didn't meet you halfway. Now it's about being loyal to yourself. And because you are going to be loyal to yourself, you are going to be transforming. And many people are not going to like it. You're going to be connecting to your power. Look, I love this card. Look how beautiful it is. I feel like some of you are going to be actually taking that leap of faith and pouring yourself into that creative goal or project that you always wanted to do. And you're going to be enjoying it. Some of you may go to the gym. Some of you may gain weight. Some of you may lose weight. But you're going to be feeling fabulous. Some of you are going to change your whole life around. Some of you could actually start going out more, going to the theatre, going to the cinema, going to concerts. Some of you are going to start dating. And there's going to be people that are not going to be happy about this. These same people like the fact that you kept yourself small. And unfortunately, these same people could be family members. These same people are going to witness you being extremely successful. You really exuding high self-esteem, happiness and abundance. And they may try and sabotage this happiness. Fearful of how balanced you are. Maybe in the past they were used to you just being at home and they felt satisfied. Yep, Leo's not doing nothing, even though they're so talented. They're going to waste their talent. And they knew that you will be there for their every beck and call. But you are discovering many things, and you are discovering how powerful you really are. There's going to be a lot of gossip about you. A lot of gossip about your new look, your new body, your projects, your talents, because you're going to be putting yourself out there. And many people will love this new version of you. Obviously, some people are going to be in their feelings about it, but they ain't your people. And these family members, they could be soul family. So you may have felt like they were your friends, etc., and they felt like family, but they were secretly jealous of you for some of you. You know, some of these individuals could be at work. Some people are going to be jealous of how you shine, how you glow at work, jealous of your work ethic, trying to compete with you, trying to outdo you at work. But wherever you go, you bring the sun. So it's quite pointless, really. So while they gossip, you will be expanding in your happiness, in your joy. This is going to be an amazing time for you, Leo, honestly. You're going to start seeing your dreams become a reality. Your talents and your skills are finally going to be expressed. And the right people will connect to you because you will find your soul tribe. You do have a soul tribe. So yeah, let them talk. And trust me, they will have a lot to talk about because you're going to be kidding it. Straight up and down.